number 41668, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I am Hazel Idayundon. I am 41 years old. I am married. I have 2 kids. Their ages are 16 and 15. I have 4 brothers and 5 sisters. I am the third of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am a school graduate from Kitsaray, Agusan del Norte.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
To earn more money and to produce my children in studying.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, ma'am. First in Saudi Arabia, I finished in 2 years contract as a household workers. Number 2, Qatar. I finished 2 years contract as a household workers.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for elderly?
Give bath, prepare foods and medicines.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for babies?
Change diapers, give feed and give bath.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking, hardening, tutoring and sewing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Fish and steamed vegetables, Filipino food like adobo menudo, Italian, macaroni and carbonara.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I'm a hardworking, honest, and more patient.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
Say apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We have a good relationship and they treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Sir, Madam, if ever you will choose me as a household worker, I will promise to finish my contract for 2 years or more. Thank you so much.